Welcome to writing class. Get out your journal books. Today we're going to be writing. Remember that you want to put your date on the next page over so we know that you did this great work on April 20. Okay, so we're going to write, I think if you remember, I told you that we were going to write about the word said. When we were doing reading class, I told you about the word said. And we know we have to memorize it because it's a pink word, S-A-I-D. But we are going to use it in a sentence. So I'm going to start my sentence with I said. So we know we always start the beginning of a sentence with a capital letter, especially if it's I, because you're important. So I is an important word. Make sure it takes up the whole space. I, and then a space, and we're going to write said. S, remember these first three letters are underneath the dotted line, all lowercase, and D takes up the whole space, and remember which way the bubble goes for the D, okay? I said. Now, after the word said, we have to put a comma. So a comma is, right, that little ear-looking thing, that half circle that goes down at the bottom. And then whatever I'm going to write, whatever I said, I'm going to write here. But if I said it, it goes in quotation marks. And quotation marks, some people call them bunny ears. They look like bunny ears, they think. And we start the sentence with the quotation marks going this way, and then I write what I said. So let's say I said, have a nice day. So I always start my quotation with a capital letter. Even though it's not the beginning of the sentence, you start a quotation with a capital letter. So in have, the first letter is H. So we're going to make a capital H. Takes up the whole space, and that line goes right in the middle on the dotted line. A. That's lowercase. Have, V. And there's a silent letter at the end of this word, have. The silent letter at the end of the word is usually an E. That's right. Now, that's not usually the E makes the A say his name, so this word should be have, but it's not. It says have. And so sometimes if you sound it out just like it's supposed to be, you see the silent E, and you think it should make the vowel say its name, have, you write that and then you say, that does not make sense. So let me try it again. Have. Yes, have makes sense. So our word is have. I said have, make a space, a, lowercase a, right underneath the dotted line. And I'm going to come over here to the beginning of my next line. Nice. Nice. In. Good. Lowercase n right underneath the dotted line. I. The I. Nice. Yes, I hear an S also, but it's another letter who likes to be the S sometimes. C. You're right. C. And the I is saying his name, so the silent letter at the end will be E. Nice. Make a space, and we're going to say day. D. And it goes this way. D. And what two letters say A? A-Y. Have a nice day. And if I'm really excited, I really want you to have a nice day, I can say, have a nice day. And then I can put an exclamation point. Exclamation point. Because I'm really excited. I really want you to have a good day. Okay, or a nice day. And then we end with quotation marks going the other way. I said, have a nice day. Okay, let's go with our green. Get out your highlighters. Do you see Any green, anything that's green. Or your crayons. Or markers. Whatever you have that's green. Green. I. Because that's easily sounded out. And A, yes, those two. Simple, simple. They're just one letter, right? So those are very easy. So do you have something that is yellow, a letter partner? Do you see any letter partners that are following the rules? So said has a letter partner, but it's not following the rules. But day, right? Day is A-Y, can be a letter partner. You know what? Because it's two letters together, but also it's a word family like day, may, say, way. So we can also make it orange because orange words that are word families can be orange. Also, words that follow the rules we make orange. So do you see a rule, a word that follows a rule? Yeah, you know what? Nice follows the rule. E at the end makes the vowel say its name. So I'm going to circle it. And even though the C is making the S sound, you could say that that makes it a pink word. But as we know, we learned that C can make both the K sound and sometimes the S sound. So he's actually doing what he's supposed to do. So that leaves us with two pink words. And we said before, said would say said instead of said, and so it is not using its letter partners correctly, so it is a pink word in bubblegum gel. And have, the E at the end should make the vowel say its name A. This should say have, but it doesn't. It's not following the rules, so we make that one pink too, and those two are in bubblegum gel. Now, I want you to, those of you who can write on, who want to write more, I want you to do another sentence using the word said, so you can practice your quotation marks, like my dad said, let's go to the beach, or my mom said, dinner is ready, and you can add on to it using the word said. But remember, after said is a comma, and then whatever you say goes in quotation marks, right? And then also draw a really nice picture for me and have fun writing.